The new Braun all-in-one trimmer, MGK 7020, for ultimate precision and 100% control from head to toe. The device has a 5-minute quick charge for a full trim and gives you 100 minutes of cordless trimming. The set provides 4 combs for 13 length settings. With the 3 to 11 millimeter comb, you can trim your beard from short to medium length. For a stubble look, 1 to 2 millimeters, use the 2 fixed combs. For longer beards, you can use the long comb ranging from 13 to 21 millimeters, and the 2 combs can also be used for hair clipping. Use the Braun full metal blade for accurate lines and edges. For a clean shave, the Braun kit also includes a Gillette Fusion 5 Pro Glide with FlexBall technology. For smaller areas like around the lips, the detail trimmer helps you create accurate lines for ultimate precision. To clean shave small areas, you can use the mini foil shaver, leaving an impressive result. Reach for the ear and nose precision trimmer to remove unwanted hair in sensitive areas. The MGK 7020 also includes a body grooming attachment to get rid of all unwanted hair below the face. The device is fully washable, and for storage or traveling, you can use the included soft bag. The Braun MGK 7020 for ultimate precision and 100% control from head to toe. Braun, designed for what matters.